makes you amazing as a speaker on stage? Do you know? Here's another way to look at this. What makes you not so amazing on stage as a speaker? Do you know that? I'm Tracy Trottenberg, and I have the privilege of having spoken to, coached, and trained tens of thousands of people across the US, Canada, and the Caribbean. And for many years, I have seen what women do when we get up to speak and how to really share your message, share your gifts, talk about your teaching in a way that really demonstrates your leadership and highlights what makes you amazing. Or I've watched a lot of women not do that. They get up to speak, they get up to share, but they're really missing the mark on what it is that has them be so effective and so amazing on stage. I want to make sure that you don't make the mistakes that other women speakers do. And I want to make sure that you have the tools and the specifics that you need so that you really know what does make you amazing on stage. It would be my absolute joy to have you join me for this special call that I'm hosting called What Makes You Amazing on Stage? How to share your story, your gifts, and your teachings in a way that really ignites your audience and explodes your impact. You can go ahead and sign up below and we'll send you all the information. And I truly hope that you can join us because there's so much opportunity for you to get out there, share your message, share your calling, share your purpose, and do it in a way that really showcases what makes you amazing as a speaker. So sign up, I'll see you on the call, and I can't wait. Bye for now.